Yo, what's up, Holmes? That ain't cool, my boy. Yo, what's up, bro? You know who you mess with? Huh? Oh, shoot. Nah, bro. I don't want that smoke, bro. Yo, chill, my boy. Chill. Yo, oh. Nah, bro. I'm out. I don't want no smoke from Mother Nature no more. Oh, heck no more. No. Mother Nature's cheesy.
Welcome to Channel Stouter News, the only news channel you can trust. Oh, this just in, guys. A man falls into a river while trying to verse nature. By the way, guys, we should never go against nature. We need to keep nature in perfect harmony. So anyway, guys, this man sadly passed on, and we deeply mourn his loss, and we ask you to pay your respects to him. And this is obviously a very sad moment, so please be respectful, guys. Back to you, Chad. Guys, please be respectful in the comments. This man actually passed away, and he was my brother, so please, guys, just don't comment anything rude.
Yeah. They like Steven. They can't see me.